on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, this feels big, George. This feels big. Hey guys, welcome back to Bait and Tackle. Today is day 3 on Swift Creek, and I got my best buddy George and I are out here trying to see if we can get on some good bass. I caught a 3-pounder here yesterday. There's George over there casting around. So we're gonna have a good time, see what we can catch. So stay tuned. Hey! Little largemouth. Again, great bait. 1/8 ounce underspin and get it out of his mouth. Sorry, buddy. There we go. Little largie. Away she goes. Hey, you want one of these? I mean, I got a couple white ones, but obviously I'm going to save those. I've got 3 more. And here. Oh, here. If you want to try some of these, you can too. I make all those. Here's some red. Pink, maybe. Try those colors too. And then here. Throw that around for a while. Did you bring any earplugs? Must be nice to have a kayak that stays semi-stable and still. Mine's like a giant flag. Like, ooh, move me. Good one? There you go. What'd you catch it on? Hell yeah. Bait and tackle strikes again. I got you. I got you on camera. You're going on the YouTube channel, buddy. George caught a beautiful bass. I think 2.5. You got a scale? Awesome, man. That's a nice one. Looks healthy too. Looks like it's been feeding good, unlike the one I caught the other day. Must be this section right here. Yep. I think down a little further is where I caught that other one. Good. Nice. That's pretty fish. Let me get a picture for you. It's awesome, man. Gorgeous fish. Nice job. And let them go, let them grow. Awesome. Hell yeah. Damn underspin. I don't know what it is about those damn things.
He hit me. And then the wind blew me back. And I'm like, I missed it. So I'm going to go back and try him again. And as soon as I hit the water,
Yeah.
he did it. I thought I was calling it perfect. The line took off.
That was awesome. Yeah, there's some good sized fish in here apparently. That's the second biggest one, over 3 pounds.
It was right at 3 pounds. It's bouncing between 3 and 2.
Trying not to pull this cable out of the dam. Gosh dang it. I got a damn fish. No, I'm tangled up. Ah, there we go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, this feels big, George. This feels big. Oh yeah, come on baby, come on baby. Oh, it's big. Oh, it's big. Oh, it's a catfish. Son of a biscuit. It's all slimed up. Ah, that's a blue, I think. I was wondering why I hadn't come to the top yet. That's a blue catfish. Well, that's my first blue. Oh, he's squeaking. He's squeaking at me. Look at that. I just had my finger in its butthole. Oh, that's going in there. Hey, guys. Look at that. There are blue cats up in here. Not bad. That's a pretty cat. What do you think, man? Oh, God. Hands are all slimy. Oh, I caught a big fish. That's a 19-incher. Oh, pretty. All right, big guy. Back in the water. Yeah, I was messing with my damn line. It was caught on the end of my pole. I was like, what the hell? And then a fish starts pulling out. I was like,
Well, if it wasn't fast, it probably pull your hand up.
I don't know. Oh, slime. Gotta love that slime on a catfish. That would have been a good fish to eat right there. I think the kids I talked to when I first came here, they told me that they catch a lot of small catfish in here. Oh, and catfish like small little underspins with a 1.7-inch prey bait. Thank you, Mr. Marlin. That's awesome. Ooh, the sun feels good. So let me tell you a little bit about the weather that's going on right now. It was 90 degrees last time I was out here, and now it has dropped 20 degrees cooler. So it's a beautiful day for fishing. Where the hell did you go? Yes, I saw it. All right, hang on, I'm coming. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get up in there. I got to lay my poles down and shit. All right. Let's see if I can do that. All right. Poles are down. What? You hooking those trees again? Oh. All right, I'm coming. Back. What the hell is this? Oh, I see ya. Which one did you cut through?
That one.
The one I'm right here?
Yeah.
Huh. Yeah, I got a funny feeling we can't spend too much time up in here. Probably gonna get.
I want to go that way.
Probably gonna get stuck in here.
You see the dude's chair up there?
Huh?
There's a chair up there. Adirondack chair up there.
Oh, was there? I didn't even see it. I didn't touch the bottom.
No, you took the paddle and
Oh,
look.
that
Look.
plenty of fish, plenty of room for a fish to be in up in here. Yeah, I'm gonna head out.
Okay, I'm out now.
You get it? Yep. Use that paddle. I had to cut one earlier. Wonder if I can go up that other side. Get it? Break it off. You're like wrapped around everything. Watch that other pole you got standing out.
Well, I had to put it back there because how it's coming up from her.
You good? Oh, there's mosquitoes back here. Yes. It sure is. Hey, just take the whole tree with you.
Huh?
Why don't you just take the whole tree with you? Look at that. Look at this guy. He's taking down the forest for one little bait. I like this. I like this. I like the style though. Yeah, one of those good baits, huh? Alright guys, well that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I got my buddy George, he's going up to get his truck. We had a pretty successful day. He caught a 3-pounder and I think 1 or 2 small ones. And then I caught a small one and a blue catfish, which I'm pretty excited about because that's the first one I've ever caught. But what a gorgeous place. It's so awesome. Take a look. It's just beautiful. Love this time of year. Love fishing. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, keep on baiting.